Afternoon. Seems a little bit animated, more so than usual. A bit of a snort and maybe a yawn if we're lucky. Also be interesting to see what happens to this waterhole as we go further into winter. Now it's quite deep here on this end, so I think this waterhole will hold water through all the way till next summer, but it will certainly get a lot smaller than it is now, probably down to a small pool. But should be enough water left for the hippo to be here for quite a while still. If that doesn't work out, then he's maybe going to head down to something like Treehouse Dam, the other dams that will hold water for longer. Quite a few tracks around, the usual sort of winter shoreline. Lots of buffalo tracks and elephant tracks. There's a very nice set of elephant tracks there to the right. Obviously sometime earlier today, maybe last night, maybe even earlier today, there's almost no other tracks on top of that. So there has been some elephants here, but not at the moment. Well caught, Rexon. Oh, look at that. Big teeth. Hippos are grazers, they eat grass. Those teeth are more for fighting and self-defense. As you can see, some serious weapons there. It's not something you want to get on the wrong end of. Odd looking animals, hippos. Quite a few ways different from other large mammals. A little bit more curious than usually, certainly giving us the eye every now and again. Yeah, I think he maybe did some good grazing last night. He's certainly a bit more energetic than usual. Well, I think we're going to leave the hippo. I'm going to slowly start heading back towards camp direction, really. Go and follow up that story on that lioness and see what else is happening there.